How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, and welcome back to another brand new video. On this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode, and go back, go to the apps manager, go to apps and go to WhatsApp app, and here click on force stop. Now after click on force stop, all what you have to do is very easy. Just go to the permissions and make sure that the SMS permission is enabled. Go back again to the settings, go to wireless and networks, and then disable the airplane mode. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you later.